Chef Tobin here with Elite Cuisine and with our Chef Presents series. Today we'll be reducing a balsamic vinegar. But you can also use red wines, and you can use, when you're doing a cream sauce, you can reduce it then to make your cream thicker without adding any thickening agents. You can also use reduced stocks, which will concentrate the flavor and help on your soups. So today we've put the balsamic vinegar in there and we're bringing it to a boil. You can see it's finally reached a boil. So we're going to turn this down to about medium-high heat. Now we want to keep a lid off because we're reducing the liquid. We want to let the vapors escape. Now we'll just keep an eye on this and it'll take about a half an hour and we'll reduce the liquid by over half. Looks like we're almost there, so we'll test the consistency by putting the back of a spatula or a spoon on the liquid. So you can see it coats the spoon, and if you run your finger across it, you can see how it kind of holds its shape. So that's what we're looking for. This is a fancy term called nappe. It just means covering the spoon. But that's how you know. Now we'll turn this heat off, and remember, this liquid will continue to cook and it will reduce down, so it'll be even a thicker consistency. So we'll let this sit aside for another 15 minutes. Now that our liquid has had a chance to cool down, we can see that's got that nice syrupy consistency. And so we'll just strain it into a bottle for later use. Now make a nice caprese salad with it. So we'll just take heirloom tomatoes here and we'll shingle it with the mozzarella. Now I recommend heirloom tomatoes. You can find these at the farmer's market right when they're in season. If you've never had an heirloom tomato, I highly suggest it. So we'll go ahead and put that on there. A little salt and pepper. A little basil for you. Then we'll top it off with some reduced balsamic vinegar. There you go. And there's a beautiful caprese salad. That's it for Elite Cuisine Presents the Chef series. I'm Tobin. See you next time.